Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to another episode of Life in English podcast.
Hello. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm Jen.
And I'm Kevin, and today, we have a fantastic topic. It's very personal, very close to our hearts.
Yes. Today, we are talking about our families and our homes.
Exactly. Describing your family members and your home. It's one of the first things we talk about when we meet new people, right?
Oh, absolutely. So, do you have a big family? Where do you live? Very common questions.
So, in this episode, we are going to give you all the words and simple sentences you need to talk about this topic easily.
And we are going to have a lot of fun because we will talk about our own families. Haha, Kevin, are you ready?
Haha, I think so. My family is interesting. So, yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. So, family. The most important words. Let's begin with the immediate family. The people you live with or are very close to.
Okay, so the number one word, mother, or more informally mum.
And father. Or dad.
Then, parents. That's the word for mother and father together. My parents are very kind.
Great. Then we have sister and brother.
And if you have more than one, you say sisters or brothers. Or siblings. That's a good word for brothers and sisters together.
Yes. I have one sibling. I have one brother.
Ah, okay. And then, for the older generation, grandmother and grandfather.
Or grandma and grandpa. Very common.
And together, they are your grandparents.
Now, if you are married, you have a husband or a wife.
And if you have children, you have a son or a daughter.
Excellent. Those are the key people. But family can be bigger, right, Kevin? Your family is quite big, I think.
Haha, yes, it is. So we need more words. For example, aunt and uncle.
And their children are your cousins. Boy cousins and girl cousins.
Exactly. I have many cousins. Maybe 10? I don't know, it's a big family.
10 cousins. Wow. That is a big family. My family is small. I have my parents, my brother, and my grandparents. That's all.
That's nice too. It's cozy. Okay, so now we have the people. But how do we describe them? We use adjectives.
Yes. Simple adjectives. For example, my mother is very kind. She is also funny.
My father is tall. And he is very smart.
My brother is young. Well, younger than me. He is 23.
And my sister is older than me. Haha, careful with that word. She is 35.
Ha. Yes, old can be a dangerous word. Let's say older is better. So, we can say kind, funny, tall, smart, young, old. What else?
Nice. Friendly. Serious. Quiet. Loud. Active. My grandfather is very active. He goes for a walk every day.
That's lovely. We can also talk about what they like. My dad likes football. He loves it.
Good point. He likes. Or she loves. My mom loves gardening. She has many flowers in the garden.
Okay, so we have the people and some adjectives. Now, let's talk about the home. The place where we live.
Yes, the basic word is house, or flat. In American English, they often say apartment for flat.
I live in a flat. It's in the city center. It's not very big, but it's comfortable.
And I live in a house. It's in the suburbs. It has a small garden.
Nice. Let's name the rooms. The most important room is the living room. Or sometimes just lounge.
Where you have the sofa, the TV, the armchairs. You relax there.
Then, the kitchen. For cooking and eating.
The bedroom. For sleeping.
the bathroom. And sometimes a separate toilet.
And maybe a dining room, a separate room for eating. But many flats have the kitchen and dining area together.
Yes, like my flat. I have a kitchen with a small table. That's my dining area.
We can also have a garden or a balcony. Jen, do you have a balcony?
Yes, I do. A small balcony. I have 2 chairs and some plants there. I love my balcony in the summer.
Wonderful. Now, how do we describe our homes? We can say it's big or small.
Modern or old. My flat is in an old building, but inside it is modern.
Comfortable, cozy, bright, dark, noisy, quiet. My house is usually noisy because my brother plays loud music.
Haha. Oh no. My flat is quiet. Well, sometimes the neighbors are noisy, but usually it's quiet.
Okay, so we have the basic vocabulary, but now, Jen, I think we need to go deeper. We need to talk about the details, the stories.
I agree. Let's share some personal anecdotes. Let's describe our families in more detail. Kevin, you have a big family. Tell us about them.
Okay, well, I come from a big family. I have my parents, as I said. My mom's name is Susan. She is a teacher. She is very kind and very patient.
A teacher? That's a nice job.
Yes. And my dad, his name is Michael. He is an engineer. He is tall and, quite serious, but he has a good sense of humor.
And you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. My older sister, Emma, she is 35. She is married and she has 2 children.
Oh, so you are an uncle.
Yes, I am an uncle to a boy and a girl. My nephew is 8 and my niece is 5. They are fantastic.
That's so lovely. And your other sister?
My younger sister, Chloe. She is 28. She lives in another city. She is an artist. She paints beautiful pictures.
Wow, an artist. And your brother?
My brother, Tom, he is 25. He lives at home with my parents. He likes music very, very much. He plays the guitar, and, as I said, sometimes it's very loud.
Ha ha ha. So your house is never boring.
Never. There is always something happening. Family dinners are chaotic, but fun. And my grandparents live nearby too. We see them every Sunday.
That sounds really wonderful, Kevin. A big warm family.
It is. But sometimes I need quiet. So I go to my room. Haha. Okay, Jen, your turn. Your family is smaller, right?
Yes, much smaller. It's just my parents, my brother, and me. My parents live in a small town about 1 hour from here.
What are their names?
My mom is Linda, and my dad is David. My mom works in a library. She loves books. Our house is full of books.
Ah, so you love reading because of your mom?
Exactly. She is quiet and thoughtful. My dad is different. He is a businessman. He talks a lot, he is very friendly, and he likes to tell jokes.
Haha. So dinner with your family is probably full of stories and jokes.
Yes, my dad tells a story, my mom listens and smiles, and my brother and I, we sometimes laugh, sometimes we are bored by the old stories.
Ha ha ha. Classic. And your brother?
My brother, Mark. He is 23. He is studying at university. He wants to be a doctor. He is very smart, but also very messy. His room at my parents' house is terrible.
Oh no. Haha. So he is not very tidy.
No, not at all. My mom is always saying, Mark, clean your room, but he never listens.
That's funny. And what about your grandparents?
My grandparents on my mom's side live in the country. We visit them in the summer. Their house is old and has a big, beautiful garden. My grandma makes amazing apple pie.
Apple pie. Now I'm hungry. Haha.
Haha, me too. So, that's my family. Small, but very close. We talk on the phone every week.
That's nice. Family is so important, big or small. Now, let's talk more about our homes. I think we can tell some funny stories about our homes, right?
Oh yes, Okay, I have a story. When I first moved into my flat, it was a disaster.
Really? Why?
Well, the previous tenant, he had a cat. And I didn't know. And I am a little bit allergic to cats.
Oh no.
Yes. So, I moved in. And after 2 days, my eyes were red, I was sneezing all the time. It was terrible.
What did you do?
I cleaned everything. I cleaned the floors, the walls, the windows. Everything. 3 times. And then, finally, it was okay. Now my flat is clean and cat-free.
Ha ha ha. That's a story of a true deep clean. My story is about my garden.
Tell me?
Last summer, I decided to grow vegetables. Tomatoes, carrots, lettuce. I was very excited.
That's a great idea.
Yes, but I am not a good gardener. I forgot to water the plants. And then I watered them too much.
Oh dear.
And then, the rabbits. The rabbits in our neighborhood found my garden. They ate everything. All my lettuce, gone in one night.
No. Ha ha ha. Oh, that's so sad, but funny.
It was a disaster. My mom laughed at me. She said, "Kevin, stick to buying vegetables at the shop."
Ha ha ha. Well, you tried. Maybe next time a small fence?
Maybe. Or maybe no vegetables, only flowers. My mom is good with flowers.
Good plan. Okay, so we have shared our stories. Now, I think it's time for a model dialogue. Let's show our listeners how to use all this in a real conversation.
Perfect idea. So, let's imagine a scenario. I am visiting your flat for the first time, Jen. We are colleagues, and you invite me for a coffee.
Yes, and I will show you my flat, and we will talk about our families. Simple, natural conversation.
Let's do it! Okay, I'll start. Clears throat. Hi, Jen. Thanks for inviting me.
Hi Kevin, welcome to my flat. Please, come in.
Thank you. Wow, your flat is very nice. It's so bright.
Thank you. Yes, I like it. It's small but it's comfortable. Let me show you. This is the living room.
I like your sofa. It looks very cozy. And you have a lot of books.
Yes, I love reading. My mother loves books too. Our house is full of books.
Really? My mom is a teacher, so we also have many books at home.
Oh, that's nice. And this is the kitchen. It's small but it's okay for me. Do you want a coffee?
Yes, please. Thank you. Do you live here alone?
Yes, I live alone. My family lives in a different town. What about you? Do you live with your family?
Yes. I live in a house with my parents and my brother. My sisters don't live with us anymore.
A big family. Is it noisy at home?
Haha, sometimes, yes. My brother plays loud music. But it's fun. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. He is younger than me. He is a student. He is very messy.
Haha, my brother is messy too. Here is your coffee.
Thank you. Let's sit on the balcony. It's small, but I like it here.
Oh, this is lovely. You have nice plants.
Thank you. I try, but I'm not a good gardener. Your family has a garden, right?
Yes, a small garden. My mom loves gardening. She has many flowers.
That's nice. Well, thank you for visiting, Kevin.
Thank you for the coffee, Jen. Your flat is really nice.
Okay, and scene. Haha.
Haha, perfect. That was a simple, natural conversation. Did you hear the key phrases?
Yes. Your flat is very nice. It's small but comfortable. Do you live alone? I live with my parents. I have one brother.
Exactly. And we used adjectives. Bright, cozy, small, comfortable, noisy, messy.
Perfect for an A2 level. Now, I think we should give our listeners some tips and do a quick review of the most important things to remember.
Absolutely. So, tip number 1. Start simple. You don't need to describe every person in detail. Just say, I have a small family. My mother, my father, and my brother.
Yes, simple is good. Tip number 2. Use basic adjectives. Kind, friendly, tall, funny, quiet, noisy. These words are very useful.
Tip number 3. Talk about what they like. My dad likes football. My sister loves music. This makes your description more interesting.
Tip number 4. For your home, say the type, house, flat, and the location, in the city, in the suburbs, then 1 or 2 details. I live in a flat in the city center. It's small but bright.
Excellent tips. Now, let's do a super quick review. Repeat after us, listeners.
Family words: mother, father, parents, sister, brother,
Grandmother, grandfather, grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousin.
husband, wife, son, daughter.
Home words: house, flat, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garden, balcony.
Key sentences: I have a big small family.
I live in a house flat.
I live with my parents. I live alone.
My mother is kind. My father likes football.
My flat is small but comfortable.
Fantastic. If you remember just those phrases, you can have a great conversation about family and home.
Yes, you can. Practice these sentences. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe your family to your pet. It really helps.
Haha, describe your family to your cat. This is a picture of my uncle Fluffy.
Ha ha ha. Exactly. Practice makes perfect. Okay, we are almost at the end of this episode.
Yes, time flies when you're talking about family. So, before we go, we have a very important question for you, our amazing listeners.
This is our viral call to action. We want to hear from you. Think about your family home, the house or flat where you grew up.
Our question for you is this: what was your favorite room in your family home when you were a child, and why?
Was it the kitchen, because of the smell of food? The living room, because of the TV? Your bedroom? The garden?
Tell us in the YouTube comments below. Try to answer in English. Use the words from today's episode. We will read your comments.
Yes. Please, tell us in the comments below. My favorite room was the kitchen because my mom cooked there and it was always warm and cozy, or something like that.
We are very excited to read your stories. Thank you so much for joining us today on Life in English podcast.
Thank you. If you liked this episode, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
It helps us a lot. And remember, learning English is a journey. Be kind to yourself and practice a little every day.
Until next time, take care and happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.